Greetings, this is Charles Darwin. Back when I first came up with the idea of evolution by means of natural selection, I was thinking in terms of what is today called gradualism. That evolutionary change always occurs at a nice, gradual pace. The environment slowly changes and organisms slowly evolve in response to that change, resulting in gradualism, or gradual changes in adaptation over time. But it turns out that that's not exactly the way evolution works most of the time. Sometimes it does this, but oftentimes when you've got a really good set of adaptations, natural selection will favor the maintenance of those adaptations and actually prevent further evolutionary change from occurring. That kind of natural selection is called stabilizing selection. So for instance, when that occurs, then it appears that evolution is not occurring at all, because natural selection is favoring the maintenance of those adaptations. This can occur for millions of years when a species has a good set of adaptations and it's beneficial to keep them. But sometimes circumstances can change. All of a sudden the species may find itself under drastically different conditions. And there, it's an advantage for them to evolve rapidly. And so you get rapid directional selection. And you get rapid evolution. The evolution of new species, the evolution of new adaptations within species. And so what we see is, instead of gradual changes in evolution, although we do see that sometimes, we usually see long periods of stasis, where stabilizing selection maintains the same adaptations, and then brief periods of punctuation in which rapid directional selection occurs. Stephen Jay Gould and Niles Aldrich called this punctuated equilibrium. It's not really a different process of evolution, it's just a different pattern of evolution as I see it. And what you see then is rapid changes followed by long periods of maintenance of those new adaptations. And so we see that evolutionary theory is able to continue changing and growing, and itself adapting to the discovery of new information. Back during my time, we didn't really have enough information about the fossil record to be able to see that gradualism was not the most common case. Now enough fossils are known, they've been precisely enough dated that we're able to tell that punctuated equilibrium is a very frequent pattern seen in the fossil record. This is Charles Darwin. Tally ho, and amen.